The Irkutsk aviation plant has completed production of a fresh batch of Su-30SM2 fighter aircraft, marking another milestone in Russia's ongoing fleet modernization program. Footage has emerged showing the newly manufactured aircraft displayed alongside recently built Yak-130 trainer jets before delivery. The Su-30SM2 represents the most advanced evolution of Russia's twin-seat Su-30 fighter family, first entering operational service in early 2022. This variant was developed as part of a broader initiative to standardize systems across Russia's fighter fleet while reducing maintenance costs and simplifying logistics chains. The most significant upgrade is the integration of the AL-41F1S engine, the same powerplant used by the Su-35 air superiority fighter. This engine delivers approximately 16% more thrust compared to the previous AL-31FP while offering substantially improved fuel efficiency, extended service life, and reduced maintenance requirements. Combined with thrust vectoring nozzles, these engines give the Su-30SM2 exceptional kinematic performance, including superior climb rates, acceleration, and sustained maneuverability at both high and low speeds. The aircraft retains its reputation as one of the most agile fighters in service worldwide, with post-stall maneuverability that provides tactical advantages in close-range engagements and missile evasion scenarios. The modernization program, known as Su-30SM2, replaces previously imported components with domestically produced Russian systems. This includes upgraded mission computers, an enhanced N011M BARSAR radar derivative with significantly improved detection and tracking capabilities, and the OSNOD multi-channel communication system for seamless integration into networked air operations. Electronic warfare capabilities have been strengthened with SAP-518SM jammer pods, part of the Cabine-EU self-protection system, providing enhanced defense against radar-guided threats and active radar missiles. The aircraft's weapons arsenal has been expanded to include next-generation munitions such as the R-77M air-to-air missile, offering performance comparable to advanced Western counterparts, and the R-37M heavyweight long-range missile for engaging high-value targets at extended distances. A defining feature remains the two-seat configuration, with a dedicated weapons systems officer in the rear cockpit managing sensors, communications, electronic warfare, and weapons employment. This workload distribution proves particularly valuable during complex, long-range missions. The Su-30SM2 carries more internal fuel than any comparable Western fighter, providing exceptional range that is critical for operations across Russia's vast territory. Since 2022, these fighters have been deployed to strategically sensitive regions, including the Kaliningrad exclave, where they regularly intercept and escort NATO aircraft. The platform continues to demonstrate performance advantages over fourth-generation Western fighters in terms of radar power, flight characteristics, and firepower. Production continues at an accelerated pace, with existing Su-30SM fleets also scheduled for upgrade to the SM2 standard, ensuring the type remains a cornerstone of Russian tactical aviation for years to come. Thank you for watching To The Ultra Defense.